Get this to the leash, mate.
Hello, Parker. Hello. It's his first day in the park. Come here, Parker. Come here.
He's never gonna be caught.
I think he just loves
put my
it.
hand in there, my hand gets warm.
Yeah, no, he
Hello,
loves it.
Parker. He likes Imo. He's so bonito. Do you now go for a walk? Have you played with that ball that you found?
For a run, let's go for a run. A run. Okay, let's go.
Maybe that he's like that dog that follows the shadow.
There we go.
He's gonna be so tired when we get home. Hola, amor. Simo, you record now. Okay. Ay, he runs so cute. Like, yeah. Are you a little horse? Are you a little horse?
Trying to say?
Like,
Are you
run
a
with
little
you. He
horse?
wants to run with you.
Are you a little horse? Qué bonito.
You want galletitas?
He's
Ay,
definitely
are you
having
happy?
fun, isn't
Yeah.
He's so cute.
He's kicking what he's doing. Great job.
he? Yeah, very much so.
Good job.
Yeah, good job. Good job, Parker. You're behaving so well. Let's go for a walk. Qué bonito.
Come on, bud. Good boy, good. Good boy.
I think this is good therapy. He's getting in confidence. You know?
Yeah.
You can see. He's getting cool.
So cool.
Are you trying to predict?
A ver, espera. Corre en un momento.
Anyone that loves you tries to run because they love running. Away from
What's up, Parka?